Hey guys, this is how to create a broadcast list on WhatsApp. So first thing, make sure that you have WhatsApp Business installed instead of the standard WhatsApp, because the standard WhatsApp wouldn't allow you to create a broadcast list. And make sure that your WhatsApp Business is up to date. So to do that, just go into the App Store. Then in the search bar, just look up WhatsApp Business. There it is. And looks like my WhatsApp Business needs an update, so I'll just make sure that I update it right now. And once that's updated, just go back to your home screen and then open up WhatsApp Business. And then click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner for the settings. Then click on Broadcast Lists. Create on New List. Now select all the different contacts that you want in your broadcast list. And the final step is just to click on Create at the top right corner. Once you do that, you'll have your broadcast list and you'll be all set. Hope that video was helpful.